No turn on red. It's their turn. Uh-huh. So you gotta wait. You gotta wait for your light. You gotta wait for your light. Right. What does that say? No turn on red, and it's a red light. You could run people over like that. No. Now it will because you have a green light. Now you can go. Wakey, wakey. They're on their phone. I'll bet anything. Yep, once again, cyclists don't stop at stop signs. Those entitled bastards.
Robert, I don't like this rock. Yeah. It's pissing me off.
Oh, okay, okay. I'll just stand in front of it so you can't see it anymore. There. Is that better? Marcus, what would you do if I wasn't here?
You've saved my life again, Robert.
I did. I'd do it again.
Wrong way, idiot. Always appreciated this sign. It's the one restaurant I've seen anywhere. Not even just restaurant. One business anywhere that I've seen that has a sign like that. It's a nice bike you got there. Holy shit, you have an invisible bike? Jogging path is right here. Oh, thank you. Jogging path is right here. They weren't able to find it. I mean, who can blame them? It's so far away. Aw, boo. You ran a red light. Texting and driving. Who the actual fuck does this? Who the fuck does this? Look for bikes? What do you mean? Bikes don't exist. Invisible bikes, that's cool. Where can I get one of those? That. Yep, that will happen to you. What, for my bright light? I mean, if you don't want it shining in your face, don't come over onto my side.
啊，为什么还不点赞啊？啊，快订阅！拜托，我这用生命在这做，我这差点要死了。快点啊，我马上再回来。
Yep, no left turn, but cars can do whatever they want. Well, if cars can do whatever they want, then so can I. Is that car cheating? They sure are. Yep, so are they. And so are they. Yep, everybody cheats this right turn by driving through the parking lot. Northwest Veterinary Hospital, please put up a wall. Those are some sweet bikes you got there.
Are you turning?
No, I'm going straight.
Going straight. All right.
As are you?
Yeah. I'm gonna speed past you. Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
Right on.
It's definitely not my fastest section on my journey today.
No. Me neither, but I think I got more horsepower.
Yeah. How fast can that go?
50.
Woo! Have you gone that fast? Safe travels. Oh my God, look at the wang on that. I didn't even notice somebody could have a wang that big. Look at the size of that wang. 2023. Sorry, what year is it? Yep. Very good. It's your turn. We're all waiting on you. No turn signal, very good. Why? What is the point? Literally, we're almost at the red light. I win. Nope. Remember how cyclists don't stop at stop signs. God, it looked. Another smart driver who looks. Well, as the saying goes, if pedestrians can, so can I. I swear, trucks are getting bigger and bigger. Yep, texting. Still phone in hand, speed WH4209. Yay, you found the bike lane. Very good. Don't have to ride around people's dogs now. Good car behind me. They could make it through there, but I'm glad that they're taking the safe route. They wouldn't have made that light anyway. I appreciate that. Yep, they're texting and driving. Texting and driving is dangerous. Bike lane's right here. Don't know why you would choose to ride in that. Staring down. What's that gap? Hey, the jogging path is right there. This is called a bike lane. Joggers go there. You see the symbol on the ground? Fuck ICE!
Thank you.
Fuck Donald Trump! Ooh, I'm such a criminal. Going at the same time as parallel traffic. Got in no one's way. I'm such a criminal because my light was technically red. So many are broken. That is a spoke wrapped in my gears. Nice. Here's the remains of one of my spokes on my rear wheels. It was all tied up in there. That's fun. It's coming with me.